Next we have the counter bearing bracket. There are a couple of tolerances, one for the board hole at the top and also for this boss down here at the bottom. You do have a rib that goes down the middle and fillets. Fillets are probably the harder thing to do on this part. Tangent line construction, and this part is in millimeters. So let's take a look at it. Oh, the material. Material, machine surface. Okay, new part in millimeters. I would start here in the front view, center bore, outside diameter. We do want to keep these aligned, and the easiest way to do that is with a vertical line and a center rectangle to create all these features, and now with a tangent line. Looking for a point of tangency and another point of tangency. Just add some dimensions here. Alright, from the bottom to the center of the circle is 113. The overall width is 140. The tolerance at the bottom is 37.95 to 38.10. 38 works out really well. That is 9 millimeters down. And this base material is 19 millimeters thick. Center bore is a tolerance, 37.9 to 38.10. 37.9 is the lower end of the tolerance that I'm opting to use, and an outside diameter of 70. That back material is 19 millimeters thick. I would create all of this at 19 millimeters, and we'll just add to it. Going to go add the cylinder. Remember, you have already created 19 millimeters worth of material. So as I go to extrude, I don't want to add 51. I already have 19. I want a total distance of 51. So 51 minus 19 will now give me a total distance of 51. So we're going to do the same thing here. Rectangle, I have nodes to snap to. I'll bring both of these bodies out. Again, I already have 19 millimeters worth of material, and I am looking for 70, so 70 minus 19. And I'll just quick double check, make sure you're 70 deep. The rib, plane down the middle. Since I based this off of the origin, I already have a plane. If not, you can add a mid-plane. You can select even the two angled faces, or these two opposing faces. Anytime you have two opposing faces, it will put a plane right down the middle. So we'll work off of this plane. And we will have to add constraints that this is coincident. And this one's coincident. That rib width is 19 millimeters. To my rib tool, equal width or symmetric. Up to next. If you have to, flip direction. I have two holes. Circle. Hole location. So the distance from the back edge is 45. The distance from the center is 41. And the same on the other side. I could have mirrored this. 41 and 45. And the holes are a diameter of 19. I'll cut them through. You have two larger radius fillets on these two corners that are a radius of 9. And now you have your casting fillets. Casting fillets are a radius of 3. Let's see what we can get at one time. Let's try them for now. Come back in, try to run some more. So far, so good. And one more. No, not one more. These two sides get it too. All right. Got all of our casting fillets on. We are looking for material, which is iron, cast iron. And then machine surfaces. Hole, lack of hatch pattern, hole, hole. These all get machined. The bottom, there are no fillets around the bottom. And the back is machined, no fillets. There is the counterbearing